Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Seaside, Florida, is a small but iconic coastal town along Scenic Highway 30A in Walton County. Known for its pastel-colored cottages, white picket fences, and pedestrian-friendly design, Seaside is a master-planned community that has become a model for new urbanism. The town was founded in the early 1980s by Robert and Daryl Davis. Robert Davis inherited the land from his grandfather and envisioned a walkable, sustainable beach town that blended traditional architecture with modern convenience. Seaside was designed with narrow streets, wide porches, and a town center that encourages community interaction. The design principles emphasize walkability, mixed-use spaces, and environmental preservation. One of Seaside's most famous landmarks is its central town square, featuring an open-air amphitheater, shops, and restaurants. The town is also known for its unique beach pavilions, each designed by a different architect, providing access to the sugar-white sand and emerald green waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Seaside gained worldwide recognition when it was used as the filming location for the 1998 movie The Truman Show, starring Jim Carrey. Its picturesque streets and idyllic setting made it the perfect backdrop for the film's story of an artificial, utopian town. Today, Seaside remains a popular destination for visitors and residents alike. The town hosts cultural events, outdoor concerts, and farmers markets, making it a vibrant and welcoming community along Florida's Emerald Coast.
Thanks for watching!